And when you find a beautiful place, and I will show you which posing you could do here. So in this case, I would like to start with the walking pictures while you just go a little bit back, hold hand, and come towards me. Okay, not too far. It's great. Yes. Okay. Slowly walk towards me and look at each other. Okay, start. Mm-hmm. Okay, perfect. Now go to the starting point one more time. Stay facing each other. And now, Jose, you're gonna spin her clockwise from left to right. Okay, you can start. Slowly. One more. Okay. Perfect. And after taking pictures, I recommend you to check them. If there is some issues, you could take again. This is great. And now I would like to do some pictures in front of the door. Okay. Stay hugging each other. Okay, your hand into your pocket. Okay. Mm-hmm. Nice. Put your hand on his chest. Perfect. Look at each other. Okay. Now both of you look at the Colosseum, the left side. Perfect. Now, Jose, you stay on my left side. Lean back. And face you my right side, the same. You can put your hands, Jose, into your pocket. You can cross your leg this way. Okay. You stay opposite, like switch. Okay. Cross your legs and hand on your hip. Perfect. And that hand on your leg. Perfect. Look at me. Okay. Now stay a little bit closer and hold your hands. Yes. Look at each other. Perfect. Now I would like to do a few more pictures. Faith, you please come here, lean back to the wall. And Jose, you stay in front of her. Your left hand on the wall. And your right hand on her hip. Yes. Okay. Your hand under his arm. Inside. No, inside. Yes. Perfect. Your hand on the other. So yes, like this. Mm-hmm. Okay, look at me. And why I'm asking left hand? Because if he puts a right hand, it will cover her face. Mm-hmm. Look at each other. Kiss. Kiss each other. Kiss each other. Okay. Now, Jose, kiss her on the forehead. Forehead. Okay. Put forehead to forehead. Okay. Now, both of you, just look over me. Smiling. Perfect. Let me show you pictures.